guys, I am back with another video. But first and foremost, if you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you subscribe and stick around. If you guys are returning, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos and supporting me. I really appreciate it. But yeah, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all the good things. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. So if you guys have seen my previous video, you've already seen these new press-on no glue lashes. These are by Kiss and they are so innovative. I'm wearing them right now because I just did the video of showing you guys the lashes, how to use them, how I put them on and everything, and they are really cool. I really like these. I've worn these 2 to 3 times and I think they're totally worth it and worth a shot if you guys have sensitive eyes, if you're not good with lash glue and lashes themselves. These you just press on, easy on the go, great for travel, great for events. So I got the voluminous style. These are open because I just did a video. This is the spiky style, and then there's also sorry, I'm throwing things. This is a natural style. So they have a bunch of different options depending on what look you're going for. So again, by Kiss, imPress press-on false lashes. This video linked in the cards and down below if you guys haven't seen it, but they're worth it and they're really cool. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna show you guys is this amazing package from Milk Makeup. They reached out to me on Instagram and they were like, hey, like we wanna send you some stuff to just like play with. And I was like, yes, please. I love Milk Makeup. So the first thing they sent is this product right here. I've used this before, I've purchased this before, and it's so good. This is their Hydro Grip Primer. It's really great, it's tacky, it holds your makeup on, and it's lightweight. So I'm excited to have another one to use because I'm running out of my primer. All right, the other things that they sent I've never tried before, so I'm kind of excited about it. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Ungrip Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. I've been so into cleansing balms, but it looks like this and it just takes off your makeup. If you have dry skin, a cleansing balm is great so it doesn't strip you of any essential oils, but this is just going to remove your makeup. I believe it takes away, it doesn't say if it takes away waterproof makeup, but I will try it and report back if you guys are interested. Also, if you've ever used any of this stuff or any of these products, let me know your thoughts because I'm curious if you guys like any of these things. Then they sent over 2 cheek products, and these are the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek. It literally just says lip and cheek. I guess that's the name of it, but I got the color Work and then the color Quickie. So I couldn't wait, and I already put on this color Work right here. It is a beautiful natural pink blush shade. I absolutely love it. I think this is the perfect like everyday, whoops. I think this is the perfect everyday color, and you can build it up to make it stronger, but I just did a little bit on the cheek there, and y'all, it's so pretty. It's the perfect flush, and it glides on really creamy, but it doesn't move your foundation, which that's why I'm always skeptical with like products like this where you have to like swipe it on and then blend it out. I'm afraid it's going to move my makeup, but this is just tacky enough to stay, but creamy enough to blend with your finger. So I love these. I can't wait to try the other colors. So yeah, those are the lip and cheeks from Milk. And then I got their Kush mascara. I've heard nothing but great things about this, and it gives you volume, longer lashes, lifted lashes. So yeah, I got the mascara. And then this is their Kush Clear Brow Gel. I've been obsessed with trying different brow products, so this is gonna be really fun to try. And I haven't used a clear brow product in a while. And then this, what is this? The Milk Longwear Eyeliner. Yes, I've been waiting to try another pencil eyeliner, and this is called Outer Space in the black shade. So I'm really excited that they sent that over. If you guys want a full video of Milk or just a video on anything that you see here, let me know. So that's everything from Milk. Oh wait, they also sent over this tote bag, and I haven't opened it. I wanted to save it to open it on camera with you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like paper. So I'm pretty sure it's like recycled paper. Wait, this is really cool. And it has like Milk Makeup on the handles. Wait, I love this. It's white, so you could technically like draw on this. Maybe I'll like watercolor paint this or something. I think that's so cool. So yeah, Milk Makeup Tote, I'm definitely gonna use that. I think that's really neat. I kind of want to draw on it. Is that weird? Okay, next we're gonna dive into some nail products. If you watched my summer must-haves, I showed you guys the Olive and June press-on nails in like the circular packaging. Love their press-ons. They have super trendy styles and I want to get more of those, but they also sent over their like nail system because they also have nail polish. So this is the non-damaging press-on removal. Oh, look at that. They have like little things to remove your press-ons or maybe like your gel too. So that's really cool. Do you guys see that? It's like little caps for your nails, which is cool. So you put like sponges on your nails and then put like a little cap on so it just soaks off and you're not ripping off your nail when you're removing. So that's really cool. This box also has this little, what is this for? I don't even know what this is for. It's like a little pink pouch. I'm not sure what that is for. And then there's this little pouch and this comes with, there's like, it's like a whole nail set. So there's nail clippers, there's a cuticle pusher here. There is this cuticle oil, cuticle serum. I've needed one of these, and then a buffer. So this is the perfect like travel on the go nail kit. I love this. This is, a nail strengthener. So if you have really thin, brittle nails, something like this is going to really help. So I'm excited to try that out because I'm trying to let my nails breathe. Right now I'm wearing some nail stickers because I want to let them breathe from press-ons, from gel or anything like that. So I just have stickers on, and these are from Miss A. I've done a video on them. So yeah, I really like these. They're really cool and they're easy to apply. And the last thing Olive and June sent over in the box was this nail polish. They also have nail polishes that are free of all like the toxic chemicals. So it's 7 free nail polish, and this color is in Lava. You guys, this is the perfect like red orange shade, and I've been loving this color for the summer. It's so pretty. So I'm really excited to try that, especially on my toes. I love a good orange on my toes in the summer. It's so yummy. So that is everything from Olive and June. Yeah, that is everything for this beauty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about products or requests about things you want to see, let me know. I love it when you guys comment because I get to know you better and I get to chit chat, and it's really fun for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.